What do you guys got?
We got papaya salad,
Egg rolls,
pork belly,
That's what's up. Can we get it extra spicy if we need it? What's up with you?
How are you?
Good, man. How you doing?
Good.
What's your name?
My name's Brendan.
Are you part of this program?
Yeah, my friend is President Richie.
Okay. What's it, Richie Salt?
Richie. My boy.
That's what's up. You work on cars?
I'm just like greeting people and like checking with people,
That's
helping
what's
set
up.
up.
That's what's up. That's what's up, man. Tell me a little bit about what's going on.
So it's a car show collaboration with Chief Sealth High School, their car club, and their student clubs. Also with Eazy Does It. So it's not just Eazy Does It car clubs, but other car clubs too.
For sure.
And it's a first one of a kind. It's a community partnership along with school partnership.
That's cool. That's cool.
The community does not have that. They have a stigma in the community.
Yeah.
For them to be collaborating in this space, innovative, it's needed, and it helps to take that stigma away.
That's good. That's good. I like it. I like it, especially in the West. So they got that stigma going. So.
And then also a cool fact is that Khmer, if you didn't know about it, like Sopath, he's the high school teacher, Cambodian. Keo is the founder, and so a lot of these students are Southeast Asian too, BIPOC. So to see that male ship,
That's dope.
That's dope.
That's dope.
How's it going, everybody?
Yeah.
I'm Sopath. I'm a high school teacher here at Chief Sealth. I also am the car club advisor. So we're just here celebrating the school. It's the end of the year. We're just trying to kick off the summer and the school year with a nice community celebration, doing it the way the South way, I guess. I'm an alumni here, and I know we got a bunch of alumni here, so we appreciate everybody that came through.
What made you get into education?
I spent most of my years working in logistics.
Yes.
And after that, I'm an alumni. I had a lot of my community members get deported or have issues as immigrants, as refugees.
Yes,
I'm a refugee myself. I was born in a refugee camp in Khao Dang.
Yes.
So I had a lot of that impact people in my school, the school I work at. So I decided the only way I could like support the community really is to be a teacher. And this is kind of one of the things that we're trying to envision in the future.
That's cool.
But
Unity, unity, education.
And show that car culture is a very diverse culture. We got lowriders, we got JDMs, we got off-road cars, but it is a car culture that is very diverse. So, and that's what I want people to know. It's about like community coming together, a piece of artwork that's on wheels. Yeah. And we got kids who don't have a car yet, but are working to one day be these community leaders over here.
That's what's up.
And we want to show them what
it can be about.
Yeah, what it can be about.
Yeah.
The alternative, not the alternative, but what this community represents. It ain't about just like what we see traditionally in education. Yeah. But these are things that I think are other lessons that you don't get to learn at school.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Collaborate with groups.
Hard work, time, dedication.
Yeah.
There's so much that comes with doing these type of things, especially working on cars, and it shows them a lot.
Yeah. It shows the dedication when you see how much hours we're putting in these cars, how much money.
Yeah.
And our kids put in a lot of time too since September.
That's good.
Yeah, they were playing this in September.
It's awesome, dude. It's awesome.
It's our kickoff event. We hope next year it's going to grow from here.
Cool.
But cool. I think it's going good. People are coming in. Performance about to happen. Y'all stay tuned for that.
For sure.
Yeah.
Very nice to meet you, sir. So with you. How are you? Good, man. How you doing?
Over here they got like a math club, chess club, they got an auto club. But the auto club is no shop. It's just a group of kids after school in a portable.
They had to do it.
Yeah, and then
like on their own.
Advisor, he's quiet too.
So,
I was like, hey, it works out, you know?
Yeah.
So he asked for my support. I was like, and pretty much, I want to tell them, like, this is you guys' show. Obviously, in the background, trying to support you and coach you, right?
Yeah, it's on you guys.
Don't get too intimidated. It's gonna work out better and better each year.
Yeah.
You know,
so what are you actually showing them?
One is organization.
Organization.
Teamwork, leadership, things like that. So now, for example, They made trophies and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But they also didn't think it's going to be a competition. So, for example, hey, are you doing a competition or a show and show? We don't know.
Right.
Problem. I want to tell them, let's do the show, a competition part of it. Because you have trophies made.
Yes.
So, let me show you how to
you might
judge.
as well do it.
Yeah, you got to judge.
Yeah.
And you know what? Next year might be the show and shine. But you got to try something.
You got to try it.
Right?
Yeah, start somewhere. Yeah.
So the experience is you can't, it's priceless.
Yeah. Very rewarding for you.
And it's fun to watch them learn. And,
Yeah. And stumble along.
Yeah, exactly.
And then find
that's
out
how we
and
start
learn.
somewhere.
Yeah, exactly.
You know,
exactly. But you didn't have that when you know what I mean? Like,
absolutely.
So, yeah.
So they're gonna be polished up when they're done.
When they're done, they're gonna be polished. Yeah. Because you started in high school.
Well, check it out too. Is West Seattle High School? They have this situation for 20 plus years.
Yeah.
And I guess over here there's no support. They're telling me, man, and their heart, they want to start like a legacy or tradition.
Yeah.
Man, I'm here to help you, man.
Yeah.
Right?
Whatever you guys need.
Yeah,
man.
exactly.
That's what's up.
We didn't pressure them to do this. They did it on their own heart. I feel like, man,
they came up with the idea themselves.
That's rare nowadays. So I'm all in for it,
Yeah, hell yeah.
So that's what and I can guarantee you it'll be bigger, better.
Oh yeah. Come to support, man. As you know.
And another thing is, I told them don't just stick to one category of cars. If it's a community event, anybody in the community,
any car can come.
Car,
It's welcome.
There's grandmas and grandpas that got old cars there.
Yeah. All around here.
Yeah, just let it be all inclusive.
Exactly. That's what's up, man. That's what's up. So they started in September back in, or
that's when they started to organize.
So
we've been having meetings.
So
I didn't go to every single meeting, but we're always in touch. Yeah. But and then they kind of.
So how many kids are, or how many guys are in
the club?
Yeah.
I want to say when I first started meetings, like maybe 4 to 5. Now I'm not sure. I see new faces.
But there's more.
Yeah.
It's building.
I'm sure it's gonna be.
A lot more people are gonna want to join.
Yeah, because like I said, more power to them.
Hell yeah.
They have, I want them to know that how much support they really have, and put their mind to it.
Exactly. That's what's up, man. So
I feel like it's our generation. It's our turn to make a difference.